Every time a cricket ball curves in midair, something unusual happens. Not magic, but if in force, most people the ball is being pushed by invisible pressure. Legends like Wasim Akram and James Anderson didn't just bowl. They controlled the air itself. But how? A cricket ball is never truly symmetrical. One side, smooth and polished, the other, rough and worn. To the human eye, it's subtle, but to the air around it, it changes everything. As the ball cuts through the air, something strange happens. Air moves faster over the shiny side and breaks apart over the rough side. A difference in pressure, building silently. And then, the invisible push. High pressure on one side, low pressure on the other. The result? The ball is forced contact to change direction midair. No spin, just physics at work. But there's one more detail most people ignore. The seam. A slight tilt, a tiny angle. And the entire airflow shifts. To experts, this isn't random. It's controlled precision. And then comes something even more unexpected. Reverse swing. Rougher, rougher. The laws seem to flip. Bowlers like Waqar Younis turn this into a weapon. So next time you watch a cricket ball curve, you're not just watching a delivery, you're watching invisible forces carefully manipulated. This is openiq Classified, where history isn't told, it's decoded.